Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. So you know it's Rush, the Discovery Boss, here with another video for you guys. So the Rogers, that's what we're taking a look on today. If you're new to the channel and you don't know what the Rogers is, it's a luxury apartment right in the middle of Halfway Tree. Basically, it's off Waterloo Road, about 2 minutes or less from Halfway Tree. I've done quite a few videos on this project. It's currently, I think it is the tallest building in Jamaica at 20 floors, so it surpassed Pegasus at 16 floors. The Pinnacle in Montego Bay, an ultra luxurious apartment complex, is gonna eventually be the tallest building, but I'm not sure if any of the Pinnacle towers has passed 20 floors yet. But you know, for a short while the Rogers will be the tallest building, right? So if you're new to the channel, remember to like, comment, share. Subscribing is also free. It's the cheapest way to support the channel. What we showcase on the channel is these type of video, new development, new construction, you know, anything that is happening in Jamaica in terms of good stuff, you know, construction, road, commercial, residential. That's what we do. So it's just a video update for you guys, a drone video. A lot of time persons say, hey, what's happening to the Rogers? I'm not seeing any work. Look like work stopped, like money done, but work is actually happening. They're basically doing windows, door, interior, painting, perimeter fencing. So that's the type of work they have been doing while we haven't been seeing much from the outside, but work has been happening. So it's basically a drone video, just giving you guys an update on the Rogers. We've been tracking it for a while. It's close to completion now, so this is an updated video for you guys. I think it's already sold out. I think so, but if any of you guys watching, you know, is interested, they can let me know. I'm a licensed realtor with Keller Williams Jamaica, so I can help you purchase a property. If you have a property, I can help you sell it as well. So stay tuned, leave your comments, leave your thoughts, questions, concerns. And yes, we're back on the video trail again. I know my videos are now far and apart, but hey, you know, sometimes you have life changes that can mash up your flow, that can change your routine. So I'm just trying to get back my groove and trying to, you know, find back a place to do my videoing and my and my editing and stuff like that. I know you guys miss me, because I miss you guys too. Right, so the Rogers, ultra luxurious, that's what they advertise it as. Penthouse, you know, 20 floors, great views. You have other apartments close by, like 20 South Parkhurst 1, the Genesis. I think 3 other apartments are close by. So stay tuned, watch to the end. Thanks for clicking on this video. Remember to like, comment, and share, and subscribe. Alright, and this is just a little glimpse from the ground level. So perimeter fencing, and I guess if as I said, I think it's solar, but if there's any interest, let me know. I can do some research for you guys. So again, right off Waterloo Road, very central, very close to everything. Devon House, Halfway Tree, everything. So just a little shot from the ground.